It's all mine. 32 counts, 2 walls, high intermediate, rolling 8. Weight on the left. Section 1. Rock right forward. Recover left, sweep. Behind, quarter, forward. Now facing 9 o'clock. Step left, forward into full spiral. Forward right, quarter, side rock, recover, back to 12. Cross, side. 2 back twinkles. Left, back, side rock. Right, back, side rock. Count section 1. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and Section 2. Back left. Flick right behind. Make a half turn when you draw right foot to left knee. Step on right and sweep half turn. Back to 12. Left foot. Cross, side rock, and step left. Touch right beside, and open body to left diagonal. Make the quarter forward on right with toe drag. Touch left in front. Step left down. Montre half turn. Point right, together half, point left. Count section 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and Section 3. Forward basic with half turn. Forward, half back, back. Back basic with half turn. Back, half, forward. Left foot, step forward, kick, hitch. Big step left with drag. Behind, half, forward. Forward on right into full spiral. Forward left, chase half turn. Step, half, step. Count section 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 4. Step forward on left and forward right with hitch. 2 back sweep, back left with sweep, back right with sweep. Left foot behind, side rock. Right foot cross, side rock. Weave, cross, side, behind, sway to the right. And prep for the turn. 1 1/4 rolling turn. Quarter, half, half. And start the dance again. Count section 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and Bridge during wall 3, section 2. After step on left and flick half turn. The bridge is rock forward on right, recover on left and sit. Then continue with half sweep, cross, side, step, touch. Count for wall 3, section 2 with bridge. 1, bridge, 1, 2, continue, 2, 3, and 4. Wall 5, at the end of section 2, after touch, forward drag with touch forward and step on left. Instead of Montre half turn, point, half, point, just do point, half with sweep. Then skip section 3. Do section 4, ball, forward, hitch, back sweep, back sweep. Count for wall 5, section 2 with step change and restart. After the sweep half on 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, and continue. Full dance count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and count wall 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8,